to do another set of the resin coasters this morning. Sorry for my voice, I woke up feeling a little under the weather. For my color choices today, I'm going to use Blaze Red, Chocolate, Onyx, and Gold. I think I'm going to mix a little bit of the chocolate in with the red to tone it down. And I'm going to use some gold leaf. So I put one little sheet of gold leaf in there. I'm going to mix my resin together, and once I have that mixed up, I'll pour it into these cups and mix my colors. Now, as far as how much I use, for a small cup like this 3-ounce cups, I only use maybe about 1/2 teaspoon or less of the color. You don't need a whole lot. It goes a long way. So, and if I decide that I need a deeper color, I'll just mix in a little bit more, but it's really not very much that you use. So I'm gonna get my colors all mixed up and we'll get going on pouring this. I hope everyone's having a great day. These coasters hold about 3 ounces each of resin, and you could even go a little bit on the lighter side than that, and that's not even filling them up on all the way, and they're plenty thick enough. So for mixing my A and B part 50-50, I'm gonna do 2 3-ounce cups of part A and 2 3-ounce cups of part B and mix it together in my cup. And I've also added a little bit of a little bit of copper to my gold, just to kind of intensify that color. And I may even put in a drop or 2 of gold alcohol ink to see what that gets me color-wise. So. Everything mixed and I'm ready to pour. I actually mixed a little bit of a copper glitter into my gold. Just a little bit, probably 1/8 teaspoon into my gold leaf. And I put 2 little drops of golden fluid acrylic paint into my onyx color, just to deepen it a bit. And then for my gold and copper, I did add 2 little drops of gold alcohol ink. So that's a really pretty color. I've got my chocolate. And I've got my red and chocolate mixed together. I want to give it kind of a burgundy color, but we'll see what we get. Okay, I will come back and hit these again every 10 minutes for the next half hour with my heat gun to make sure that all the bubbles are popped. And as they set up, maybe 20 minutes from now, I may add just the rest of my gold leaf to the center so it kind of sits more on top. So we'll be back. They've sat for about 10 minutes and they've really darkened up. So I'm curious how these are going to turn out. Well, I'm hoping all that pretty gold and red doesn't totally sink. Just have to wait and see how they dry. Okay, it's been about another 10 minutes. I'm gonna hit them with my heat gun one more time, but you can see how quickly they're changing. They were really dark 10 minutes ago. Now you can see some of that gold and copper and red coming through. So I think these are gonna change quite a lot by the time they're set up. So I'm gonna hit them one more time, cover them up, and let them cure. Well, I just got home and I'm checking out the coasters. They are cured, but I don't know what's going on here. I poured clear in with the gold leaf, but it has this weird cloudy effect in the center. I'm not sure what that's about. And they stayed pretty dark. Not much of that red came through. I mean, they're shimmery. They are pretty, but I think I'm gonna mix a little more resin and do another thin layer of some sort on top. I'm not 100% happy with these, so let's see if we can fix a fail. Okay, so I've mixed up a small batch of resin. I'm gonna do a clear ring just on the outside, which I've already done on the other three. I almost forgot to hit film. I mixed up a little red and copper together very lightly. Trying to lighten these up if I can. And then I'm gonna finish it off with some gold. Try to keep my inside open. I don't know if that's gonna work or not. see what we have. That did lighten them up quite a bit. Much better. I think we saved them. I think they were just too dark before, in my opinion. The bottoms are really pretty. See, a lot of that gold and copper and red sank for some reason, and the brown had taken over on top, so I redid one thin layer on top to lighten them up. As you can tell, it's morning again. My voice is not good in the morning past couple days. But we'll get these all out of their molds, and I'll take a picture in natural light for you at the end of the video though, so you can see how they look. Pretty. I think we saved them. So this is a natural light.
Again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my ranking on YouTube, and I'd really appreciate it. You all take care. I'll see you at my next video.